Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing of this particular earphone from the brand called Klini. As we all know that Klini is a very well known brand, and if you are interested in purchasing this particular earphone, which I will be unboxing in this video, and also I will be telling you that why should you purchase this particular earphone, what are the specifications, why should you consider buying only this particular earphone, and also if you are interested in buying this particular earphone, then you can also use my referral code, that is ANIREV30, which will be shown in the down below here, as you can see, if you can see. And if you use this referral code, then you will get up to 30% discount in this particular earphone. And also you can avail that promo code if you purchase that particular earphone from their official website only. The link of their official website is there in my description box down below. You can go and check it out. And so without wasting any more time, just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so this is how the packing actually looks like. The packing is very good, as you can see here. So let me first cut it open and let me show you what are the items that you will be getting inside the box. Okay, so let me remove the plastic wrap first. Okay, so let me remove it first and let me show you the things that you will be getting inside it. Okay, so inside here you will be getting this kind of box. Okay, so it is very much well packed, I will say. And let me open it first. Okay, so this is a very good earphone. Basically this is from the brand called Klini and it is E03SH. the model number is E03SH. so let me first open it and let me show you the box that is there inside it, the main box. Okay, so let me open it first. Okay, so here also inside you will be getting this box. It is very much well packed, I will say. And so let me remove the wrapper first. Okay, so this is how the box actually looks like in white and blue color. It looks very much premium as well. And here at the top you will be getting this kind of quality branding and all those stuffs are given. At the back the model number is given, that is E03SH. Super bass stereo headset it is provided here, and some instructions are given, designed by Klini. Very nice. And also everything is done low. So let me open it first and let me show you the earphone inside it. Okay, so let me open it first. Okay, so as you can see that the box itself is very much good and the earphone is okay. So the earphone looks very much premium in hand, as I can feel, because it is very much lightweight basically, first of all. And let me open it first. Okay, so the wear quality is very much perfect, and here as you can see that this one is also looks very much premium. White and rose gold type finish is given, which definitely looks very much good, and some marking is also done, that is left and right marking, which is also a very good thing. And the rope quality, I would say that the wear quality is like rope, that is it is more or less like the ropes, and it is very much and the good, and the buttons are very much clicky, as you can see here. And the overall it looks very much premium. Here you will find this kind of gold plated 3.5mm headphone jack is also provided here, which looks just great. Okay, so this particular earphone basically comes with this kind of bicolor design, that is the white color and the rose gold color, which overall looks very much premium, and also it looks more premium when you will be using it. And also it comes with this kind of 3.5mm golden tip, which is definitely a very good option, and in most of the cases we are not provided with the golden colored 3.5mm headphone jack, because in most of the cases we get the normal ones, but this one is the golden colored 3.5mm headphone jack, which is definitely a very good option. And also you will be getting the inline HD microphone there inside the earphone itself, which allows you to get a clear call quality, and also the control button, about which I will be discussing now. It will allow you to perform multiple tasks as well, and also you can control your music and your calling experiences seamlessly. And also, for example, if you triple click on that particular button, you will switch on to the next track, about which I will be discussing later on. The wear quality is definitely very good from my point of view, because it provides you a very strong and flexible wear. Okay, so this one also comes with the intelligent wear control as well. Okay, so here as you can see that this one they call it as the intelligent wear control sensor. Using this you can perform various tasks. Let me show you each and every task one by one. Okay, so first of all, when you are, suppose once you are hearing to some music and you plugged out the jack like this, and after that the next time when you will plug it back in, it will start playing from this same point and the same music from where you have left. Also there are some of the additional features as well. Here after you open your smartphone, here as you can see that the music is playing, and also if you just click on it just once like this, then here like this once, it will pause the music. As you can see that here the music is now paused. Again if you click here once, then it will again start playing the music. And if you double click on this button twice like this, then it will start playing the music from the beginning once again, which is definitely a very good control feature. And also if you press and hold this button for several times, that is for some time like this, then it will activate your Google Assistant or Alexa, whichever is there inside your device. There it will activate that, and you can just click on any of the which you want and you can just go on with it. Okay, so this one is also a very good feature which I think they have provided for this earphone basically. And also let me first stop the music once. Okay, so now let me show you that whenever you do any kind of call or something like that, then how you can receive it using your wired earphone itself without taking out your smartphone. That is, this happens basically when you are in a crowded bus or you are in a subway, then it is difficult to take out your smartphone from your pocket or something like that, or from your bag itself. Then you can use this feature to receive and end the call as well. Okay, so let me do a call first and let me show you the thing once again. Okay, so let me show you first. Okay, so if I make a call to the smartphone here, as you can see that. Okay, so here as you can see that if you click on this button once, then you will you can receive the call. Okay, so here as you can see that you can receive the call here, and again if you click on it once again, then it will just decline the call. It is as simple as that. Okay, so as you can see that this earphone basically comes with this kind of gold plated 3.5mm headphone jack, which is definitely a very good option for those people whose phones are basically designed in such a manner that is the headphone jacks are present. In that case it would be a very good option for them, because the 3.5mm headphone jacks are not available in case of the current smartphones that we buy. That is, in that case we get the C-type ports basically. That is in my case here as you can see that my OnePlus 7T basically has only the C-type port and no headphone jack. In that case you need to purchase this kind of connectors, and after that you need to connect it like this, and then also it works perfectly fine. And in terms of connectivity, I would say that it connects just perfectly. These earphones fits perfectly inside your ears also, and also there are some markings which are provided here. As you can see that the left and right marking is also provided, which is a very good thing. And after you wear it like this, it doesn't fall off. Whenever it happens is that whenever we use it for a long time basis, and sometimes it happens that our ear starts to pain, and that is the main reason that why some people face difficulty. But I personally used it, I never felt such kind of problem or issues while using it. And also it is a very much tight fit, as you can see here, and whenever you go here and there, it will not just come out from your ears or fall off.
and this is the main reason why I like this earphone basically. And also now talking about the call quality of this device, that is this earphone, that is that whenever I used to call someone, that person never complained me that there is a sound delay or your voice is not clear or something like that. I faced no such problem. I could even most of the time what happens is that people have the tendency to put this thing near their mouth like this and they used to speak. This happens because the microphone quality is not good for those kind of earphones. But this one, you don't need to put it near to your mouth like this and you need to call. I saw many people doing this thing because the sound, they complain that the sound quality is not that good, and the person who is there at the opposite side, he can't hear the sound clearly. But according to me, while I used this earphone, I didn't came across any kind of issues like that. You can just wear it like this and you are free to talk to someone over call, and you don't need to do all those tasks, because the microphone quality which I noticed is that is very much good and it receives the sound, the voice very much clearly, and the person who is there at the opposite side of you, he can also hear you clearly.
Frankly speaking, I play a lot of games, and when it comes to playing games, I prefer the wired earphones more than that of the wireless ones. The first and foremost reason is because of the latency rate. The wired earphones provide you a very low latency rate as compared to that of the truly wireless earbuds. And also this earphone basically comes with the high bass speakers, that is the powerful bass drivers that are provided inside this earphone, which makes and gives you a 360-degree surround sound experience. Moreover, also you will be getting an upgradable conversion device that is there inside this earphone, which provides you a professional noise reduction technology, which means that whenever you are in a crowded place, then it will provide you the best sound quality, that is the best sound experience at a very low noise. And when it comes to gaming, I could definitely recommend each and everyone to buy this device, because this provides you a very good and powerful sound experience.
Although the company doesn't provide anything about its waterproof, whether is it waterproof or not, or whether is it sweat proof or not, but I can actually tell you that you can use it in gyms as well. If you go to gym, then you can definitely use it in the gyms as well. And whenever there is slightly raining outside, but you want that you to use these earphones with you when you go out, then in that case I think that you can use this earphone. It will not cause any severe damage to this particular earphone basically. Okay, so frankly speaking, I basically use the wired earphones more than that of my wireless ones, because I think that the wired ones are capable of providing a better quality audio in terms of the sound quality as well as in terms of the audio quality, that is during the phone calls that we make. Then in case of the wired ones, the audio quality is a little bit more better, which I can feel. And also the main thing is that these particular earphones are also very much great because it basically comes with this kind of dual speakers. Whenever you will be inserting them inside your ears like this, because of that dual speaker, it provides you a very good sound quality. And also one thing which I noticed for this particular earphone is that the bass quality of this earphone is just awesome. And those of you who love to hear those kind of thumping bass, then you should definitely purchase this earbud, because it is just awesome. And the bass quality, it is not that only the bass is just perfect, but also the low notes. Whenever I was testing it, I came across certain songs which have a very low note, and when I heard them, I could actually differentiate between different sounds. The higher notes were very much normal, and the lower notes also didn't got destroyed, because sometimes what happens is that whenever you are hearing to very much of thumping kind of bass songs basically, then the lower notes sometimes gets damaged, and because of that reason some people think that this earphone is not that much of good. But I think that this earphone is just great in terms of when it comes to the low notes basically, and when it comes to the high notes. And personally speaking, that when I was playing games that I showed you, I came across that there was no latency at all, and particularly this one, I felt no latency. I could hear the footsteps and all those things. It was just clear to me, and I could even differentiate each and every sound. And overall, I think that this one is just a great earphone from the price point that they are offering to you. Oh, okay. So as you can see that most of the time I use this earphone nowadays basically, and the main reason is that I do most of the work on my iPad, and because of it supports the iOS devices as well. So those of you who are iOS users, I would like to assure you that you can definitely purchase these earphones because it supports the iOS devices as well. As you can see that I was recently using it with my iPad basically, and so the sound quality and all those things are very much great, and I can really assure you that you can definitely purchase this earphone. And from the price point that this company provides you is just great. And because most of the time it happens that we purchase a more high priced earphone, but that doesn't support multiple devices. That is, you can even use this earphone with your desktop, with your laptop as well, and even with your iOS devices as well as your smartphones. And so this is the main reason why I would like to request you that you can definitely purchase this device, because most of the time we use a lot of money and purchase those earphones which doesn't support in the PC or which doesn't support the iOS devices, but they take a lot of money from us. And because of that reason, I would like to recommend you that you can surely buy this earphone, because it supports multiple devices and multiple platforms basically. And if you want to attend all those online classes and all those stuffs also, then also you can use this earphone basically, because I personally use this earphone to attend my online classes as well, because the sound quality and all those things which I mentioned you previously is just great. And because of that reason why I started using this earphone. Okay, so although as it is not possible to show you that how this earphone actually sounds like in real life, but I would be doing a short test basically to show you that how the earphone basically performs when it is in high volume, that is in the max volume. And so let's check it out. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of stylish earphones for themselves. And thanks for watching, and also please make sure that you use that referral code, that is ANIREV30, to avail up to 30% discount on this particular earphone. And also please follow them on their Facebook account as well as for their Instagram profile as well. The links will be there in the description box down below. And thanks for watching, and I catch you guys in the next one.